Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be playing Universe Sandbox and whoa. Okay. I know this game might not look like much. Some of y'all might have seen this already. What? Hang on, what's this orbit? Okay. Anyway, today we are going to be playing Universe Sandbox. Some of you have probably heard of it. So, yeah. Anyways, let's just, whoops. Hang on, I need to, nope. There we go. Ugh, okay. Finally, I finally found the UI button. Okay. First, I think I might wanna, just pause time. What if, Mercury, you were good, but I could definitely make you orbit faster. Let's just completely move Mercury's orbit to there. Mercury's gonna be slingshotted. Oh my gosh. Oh no. You can see it. You can see Mercury heating up. Oh no. The poles aren't exactly melted. I'm surprised it hasn't already deteriorized yet. But Venus, you can also be moved a little closer. Wait, Venus has a... I don't know. Oh wait, they're gonna collide eventually. Hang on. That's not good. Venus and Mercury will collide if this keeps going on. I'm afraid that Venus will pull Mercury in using its gravity, making it to where, like, oh no. Hang on. Venus. Oh no. Venus. What's its average temperature? Yeah. Doesn't seem very good. Mercury. What's your orbital period? Hang on. I'm just gonna try and stuff as many I'm just gonna stuff as many planets. Hang on, let's put Neptune in here. Oh no. These orbits are mixed. Neptune's gonna pull one of these two in with its gravity. It's gonna slightly change the orbits over time. No? Okay. How about we put planet 9 right there? Okay. If that doesn't do anything, then I don't know what will. Well, Neptune's orbit is a little wonky. Venus's orbit was always like that. So yeah, hang on. Nah, we can make that better. Oh, gosh. Huh. How about we just add... Oh no. So Jupiter. Okay. That's Jupiter next to Venus. I'm trying to find, like, what's the biggest thing? It's pretty big. Oh, wait, this is bigger than Jupiter. So then it must have more mass, right? Oh, it has way less mass. Dang. No, really? Wait. This'll mess everything up. I put another star orbiting the sun. What's gonna happen? Oh no. Wait. What? Venus just got yeeted out of the solar system. Neptune is on Oh wait. No. Bro, Planet 9 does not know which star to orbit. How about we crank the size up a little bit? Let's just crank it up to half the mass of the sun. Then what would happen? Oh, the sun's moving a lot now. Uh-oh. That's not good. You know, what if we were to just, let's just add Earth somewhere. I love that you can just do whatever the heck you want. Okay, let's add it a little further away so that life can actually form. Never mind. That life is not happening. Let's see here. What are the chances of it having life? Oh. Wait, the chances are going up. What? Oh, that's because it got flung out of the solar system. It's cooling off. But eventually... Oh, it's frozen. It is frozen. Although you can still see some city lights. The cities are still good. Let's give it some time to just frost. Oh. Oh, you can see the ocean icing over. Okay, surely. Bro. It has a better life likelihood than it... Oh my gosh. I can't believe that we're thriving on this planet. 9.86 is steadily going down. How much is that in Celsius? Ooh. Pretty cold. That's crazy. Let's get a graph of that. Ooh. It's going down steadily. It's the... Wait. Can you even see the sun? I don't think the Earth plans on changing courses to go back. Hang on. Let's just land on the surface of Earth. Get that out of here. Oh. Wait. No. It looks like it's snowing, but it's actually not. I can assure you. Dude, this is all iced over oceans. This is actually a pretty well detailed game. Oh no, it's not getting enough sunlight anymore. I will shine a flashlight in your face. Don't worry. Wait. That's normal water. Hang on. I might be able to help. I'm gonna try and save Earth. So let's go to laser. Uh-oh. That may be just... Oh no. If anything, I'm gonna accidentally cause an ice age. Hang on. Oh no. Hang on. No, I need to... No, I just need it to be enough to where it doesn't like melt the oh. No, all I have to do is just turn that down a little bit. Okay. Oh wait, no, that can stay. Just need to unfreeze things. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Now it's time to turn things all the way back up. Yep. Hang on, let's just... Where's the Yottawatt? Oh. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Okay. That did not go. I'm gonna have to just... How does that not melt through the Earth's surface? S? Okay, yeah, no. Writing subscribe on the surface of the Earth, that's not gonna be possible. Hang on. Wait. Let's get a new Earth. Okay. Jeez. How far away? Jeez. Earth can orbit Earth like the sun is Earth. What? I don't know what I just said. So now that this is a new Earth, let's laser. Total power. Let's just crank the total power down, you know? Am I evaporating land? Hang on. Oh! What just happened? So Earth got obliterated by a 1.68 centimeter laser cannon. Oh my gosh. Now I'm doing this to Pallas, a large asteroid. Jeez, bro. That thing looks like the sun. Oh my gosh, this thing's as hot as the sun. Did you see how far that number went up? Hang on. Let's just... I will not allow you to go down. Number. Okay. Hang on. Let's... Oh no! Yeah, no, that's probably not good. Hang on. How about we just fire this into the sun? I think I got it. Hang on, I need to do something. Sun, you. Okay, this is a cursed solar system. Let's just simulation. What? No. Laser. Doesn't really seem to be doing anything. Yeah, that's nice. I don't think this is really affecting the sun. The sun doesn't really care. Sun, how are you? You are perfectly fine. Okay. Yeah, that's sort of what I expected. Doesn't even go up a little bit. Okay, that's it. We have like... Let's make this like a void purple. Nice. Total power. Yeah, you're just going to... Yottawatt. Whoever said anything about Yottawatt? Heh. Wait. Oh. Wait, so does that mean that everything is now? Just shoot this at Mars? Saturn? Oh. Okay. Things disappear when they're shot by this. Earth, I'm sorry. Bro, this thing evaporates stuff. Okay, the sun doesn't care. Palace. I mean, not Palace. Okay, stars do not seem to care when they are shot by this. That's crazy. By the way, I have actually played this game before. So I know that... Hang on, let me just go to the solar system. I have made... Where is it? I have made... Okay, I have made a Mars that can sustain life. So let's just put it in Earth's orbit. I think. Actually, no, that's not gonna work. Let me just do that. This is gonna be a new asteroid belt. Oh no! No! Run, Mars. Uh-oh. So, it doesn't actually have life on it, I don't think. But it's got a pretty good chance. Okay. That doesn't seem good. It did just go down a lot because of all the smoke. But hey, that's pretty good. I mean, like, I added some decent oceans. It's got a... I gave it its own magnetic field. Gave it its own pretty good atmosphere. It's pretty Earth-like, you know? Like, see, it has lakes. Totally didn't just ram a bunch of... Totally didn't just... You know... Ram... I totally didn't just do this to it. Like, no. I didn't... Like, totally didn't... Jeez. Nah, that's not. Nah, that's not the moon. Oh, no, this is the moon. Jeez, I didn't realize just how small Mars was. Anyways, I totally didn't just ram. Totally didn't just ram. What was it? I totally didn't just ram this guy, this one, into Mars. Yeah, also, I did actually decide that throwing asteroids into Mars would be the best way to give it water. See, like I just created an entire new lake by throwing that into Mars. And I also may have raised the sea level. See, it has a magnetic field. I know what I'm doing. Oh no, so I did make the size of the magnetosphere, whatever you want to call it. I call it the magnetic field, but we're just gonna say magnetosphere. I did make it the same strength as ours. So if we do move here, it won't like be interrupting electronic signals. In fact, I might just make it a little bit bigger. Just like a little bit. There. Yeah, that seems good. Oh, wait, no. That doesn't work. Uh-oh. What was it again? It was like that. Yeah. So comment down below if you would like to try and live on Mars now. Of course, there's not going to be all of this Earth debris. Hang on, I actually want to see what will happen to all of the Earth's debris after a while. So it looks like most of it just gets flung. Oh, I just realized there's 2 Marses now. What the? Okay. But you can see just how slow Neptune moves from here. Like, you barely even see that it moves. Like, look at how much, you can see Jupiter move. Then when you get to Neptune, what's this? Chiron? I don't think this is just an asteroid. Wait, this is Pluto's moon. Right? Like, this is Pluto's moon. I'm not making that. Okay, never mind. Not Pluto. Not Pluto's moon. So yeah. Hang on. I'm curious. Okay. What happens when I send the sun? I launch it. And I launch it at that much the speed of light. Okay. I don't think that's not. Hang on. Oh wait, no, I have it sped up, I forgot. Okay. Let's see this. Oh, I missed again. Okay. I'm trying to hit this. That should be good. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Just send it. I find it hard to believe that just narrowly missed literally everything. Okay, well. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, I ran out of remember today. Bye.